And today we're going to work on our breathing challenge. Now, this breathing challenge, you can do it by yourself, you can do it with a friend, a family member, or just someone that's your next door neighbor even. This is something that is easy and you can practice it and get better and better and better. And I am so excited because I actually like this exercise very much. So this breathing challenge, we're going to do our yawn breath. So if you haven't watched our video about the yawn breath, breathing basics, I highly recommend that you check that out. So our yawn breath is this. And we're going to have our hands up like this if you're practicing in front of a mirror so you can count how long the breath lasts. So what I'm going to do is take the yawn breath and I'm going to exhale and let that breathing out, and I'm going to count. So the first time I do it, just watch, okay? 16? I think that was 16. Did you count? Watch my fingers when we go next time, all right? So 16. Let's see if I can beat it. Why don't you join me? All right, so have your hands up. No cheating. And by cheating, what I mean is if you're doing this, oh, I did 100. No. And also, if you're doing this, oh, I did 9 million. No. That's not right. That's cheating too. One breath, count with me. All right, let's do it together. And yawn breath. So I did a little bit better, but I know for myself, I think my best record was 34. So let's try it together one more time. It will be my third time and your second time. So see if you can beat the amount of counts that you did for the first time. All right, ready? Everyone take your yawn breath. $21.5. I don't think it was exactly 22 for me. Guys, I hope that you think this is fun because it's something that you can do anytime, anywhere, with anyone, or by yourself. And the more you do it, the more your muscle memory will remember what's right and how to get better. And by muscle memory, I mean your brain remembers, your vocals will remember when you're singing, so that's going to be coming up. And when you breathe, your diaphragm and your release of air. So all of that's going to be in your muscle memory. An athlete, when they work out, when they train and stretch, that's their muscle memory. So it can be applied to lots of different things. It's just something good to know in general. All right, so have a really great time practicing your breathing challenge, and I will see you next time for some more vocal tips. Thank you. Be good to people. Have a great day. Me again! Guys, I had this great idea. How about you let me know the best number that you got doing your breathing challenge? You can DM me, you can tag me, or even better, show me a video. I would love to see your face. I'd love to see you practicing your breathing challenge, or you and a friend or a neighbor or a family member. I don't mind who's in the video. Just show me how well you did. I would love to see it, so send it to me on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook at AhHa Broadway. AhHa Broadway. I can't wait to see you.